Hi, in front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the watch face with the custom image on this device. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or image as the watch face. Before we start, if you want to set up the watch face with the custom image on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the GloryFit application on our phone. In the app, once you open it, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon. Here, tap on the watch faces option. Then tap on the custom dial. And here you can tap on this dial, right here, the watch face. And right here we can customize our watch face. We have option to change the background, so let's tap on select image, and we have options like take picture or album. If you select take picture, basically it will open the camera app. You will be able to take a picture and use it as a watch face. And if you select album, it's gonna open the some app that browses photos, for example photos by Google or different app you can use, and you can browse the images on your phone, select the image there. Okay, so I'm gonna tap on album option, select the app, for example, let's select the gallery by Samsung, but you can use photos by Google or different gallery app. Tap on just once, and here we have the pictures on our phone. I'm gonna tap on albums, downloads, and here I have a picture I want to use as a watch face. I'm gonna tap on it to select it, and now I can crop the image. Basically, whatever is gonna be in this frame is gonna be on our watch face, and we can make this frame bigger, smaller. If you make it smaller, it's gonna zoom in. If you make it bigger, it's gonna zoom out. You can move this frame around, and once you're done cropping the image, you can tap on the crop button right here, and here we have the preview of our watch face. Now we can change the font color, as you can see, like that. Let's select one, and once you're done, you can tap on synchronous dial option or the button to start syncing the watch face with your watch or to your watch. And let's wait until it's done. And once it's done syncing, you will see that the watch face will be applied on your watch. And that's how it looks like. Okay, and that's how you set up the watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.